get that. Unfortunately, this is the time that there's cameras, and then this is the time where you're
shoving a key.
Why didn't you call us?
I have videos too.
Why didn't you call us?
Because I was scared of what he was gonna do to me or something. Like, I don't know what he's gonna do to me. He always threatened me with his family members. Like, I'm scared to call the police.
Okay. Unfortunately, I'm gonna write all this down. Unfortunately, though,
Can you come on, please?
We'll call her again.
I'm burglary charges. I've never been to jail before.
You got her.
Hurry! Please, hurry! Oh, am I going to jail?
For burglary.
I do! Hurry, please! I've never been to jail before.
Yeah, she got your trash can.
Throws it around.
No, she throws it at the TV. So should I press charges? Like this is.
It's up to you. So here's the thing, because here's what she's claiming. She's claiming that nothing happened, but you grabbed the glasses off her face and broke her glasses. Clearly there's broken glasses. You're claiming that she broke your TV and broke her blinds. I can see broken blinds. Clearly both of y'all are in the wrong. Okay?
How am I in the wrong? I'm at home chilling. She invites herself in violently. She didn't.
Okay,
that's
but here's the thing.
Subject,
you guys...
That's more like...
Hold on. Can you let me talk?
Yeah, but it's hard to be wrong in your own house. If anything,
I get that.
Even if I pushed out, I'm defending myself. You feel me?
I understand that you're defending yourself.
Yeah,
I'm not arguing that at all.
Yeah, so I'm just saying it's hard to be in the wrong if I'm in my house.
Wrong on both ends.
In a public area, and I broke her glasses, but she came in here, invaded me.
I'm just saying.
Chilling.
But here's the thing: your videos don't start at the very beginning of the argument, so no one knows.
They do. I promise you. They do start at the beginning.
Okay, well, during those videos, I don't see your glasses broken, then all of a sudden they're broken in your hand. So that's the thing, is that nobody knows the truth between videos that are 10 seconds long. But here's okay, can I just finish a thought? Your shit's broken, her shit's broken. She's missing $100. You're saying you're keeping it because you have to fix your shit. And she's claiming that she comes in here all the time, in and out, because you guys have been dating on and off. Which is allowed, because you go to her house on and off.
Nah, I've never been to her house. Never been
Again,
to her house.
That's what her saying. That's what she's saying. I have to just go based off of her words.
I'm just if something wrong, I'm going to just correct it. That's it. I've never been to her house.
I don't know either way.
I'm just saying.
All right? Because, anyways, so both of y'all are wrong in both ends. You can trespass her all day. She can never come back here for a year, and that's in effect today, as soon as we leave and write that report, so within 2 hours. So by 7 p.m. tonight, she's not allowed back here. If she ever comes back here, and she crosses this sidewalk into your yard, you call us, she goes to jail. No pass go, no questions asked, nothing like that. When it comes to the property damage, that is something y'all are going to have to figure out on your own, because she's claiming you have $100, because that's a whole other thing, is that she's claiming a theft. Let me get you a pamphlet, okay?
Civilly, I can't shake him upside down and give him $100. I can't shake him upside down.
I can't force him to, no.
What about this, though? This is my property.
Okay,
I understand
when was
that.
it broken?
Today! It's in his room!
It's not in the videos he showed me.
Corey, my glasses are in your room. What do you mean?
Okay. So here's the deal, okay? We're not going to play this game of now we're pressing charges, now we're not pressing charges. I want you to understand something.
I understand. I will leave, but please, can I have the other half of my glasses? My glasses are like $400. Okay, but the other half is in your room, obviously.
Can we just check your room?
Please.
Or can you check it?
I need it, please.
She's saying she doesn't. It's not her car.
Check your car.
It's not in there. I walked in there with my glasses. I super glued them, and they broke again because of him.
This is turning into he said, she said. Everybody wants to press charges on each other.
Nope.
So, the only one...
That's not
no.
So...
It's not in here, because I walked into his house with my glasses.
Which, that shows in the video that she's got glasses on in the video, but I don't know where in the video that they break.
When he pulled my shirt, and that's when it snapped off again and broke in half. He found the other one on his ground. All I want for him is to get the other one. Please, just get the other glasses. I can super glue it back. Please. Please, please, please.
Hey, he's saying that he might have incriminating stuff in his room, so that's probably why he doesn't want us to go in there.
Please.
Nobody cares. I'm not saying for your situation. No, I'm sorry, because
he's right. Actually, called the police last night, but I had the heart enough not to call the police on you, but you called the police on me.
Well, so and then here's the thing. So you said nothing physical happened, but in the videos it shows you getting physical with him and him getting physical with you. So why'd you lie?
Because in the video it says something. Because okay, I was banging on the door. I said, "Car, I didn't."
No, you used a screwdriver to get in the door. It shows it.
Because
Why are you doing that?
Because I just want my money.
You can't do that. You can't strong arm. That's strong arm burglary. You can't strong arm him into giving you your money. That is a civil matter. You have to take it to the courts. I know it's shitty. I know it sucks. It's slow. It's a process. However, that is the right thing to do because now you're in this situation where I have enough evidence to take you to jail for burglary.
Okay, cool. Now, what if I want to show like my evidence from last night?
That doesn't matter. It's last night.
It's less than 24 hours.
Nope, that's last night. You can make a claim. You can always do a report, but that's it.
Because that's what I would do. Like, since we're showing videos, like, I can do the same thing.
Here's the thing. The video is from 4:58 today. All I care about is today at 4:58. What happened?
Okay, it was, when we fought, it was, when he put his hands on me last night, it was like 3 o'clock.
No, 4:58 today, because he's the one that called, so now he's my victim. Do you see what I'm saying? This is my situation that I'm in. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this to you. You know? I don't want to do this to either of you.
And like, why would you want to call the police if you knew you had stuff, like, even if, like, it's weird stuff in your house? Why are you calling them? That's stupid.
Call 9 dispatch. I'm 51 to jail.
I don't want to go to jail.
I don't want to take you to jail. I'm going to be honest. I don't want to take you to jail.
I can super glue my glasses back. I still want to go out. Like, I want to go out tonight. I can't go out with my glasses like this.
Have you double...
It's not...
I get it. Have you double-checked your car?
I super glued it when I walked in the house. I can't see. I can't even see.
That's fine. Do you care if we just look real quick in your car?
I can look in my car.
Okay.
Last night we were at a party, right?
Yeah.
He see me in the party. Okay. I walked outside. He followed me outside. Goes like, oh, sorry.
Nope, you're good.
He was like, where are you going? I'm like, what do you mean? It doesn't matter. We're like, really?
Yeah.
This is what we're beefing, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, it doesn't matter where I'm going. He was like, oh, that's for your phone. I'm like, you see my phone for what? We don't, like, we're beefing, we're not cool. You don't need to touch my phone.
Yeah, you don't need to see my shit.
So, okay. He snatches my phone. So I chase. I'm like, you're embarrassing me, and you're embarrassing yourself because you're doing this in front of all these people.
Yeah.
So he ran down the road with my phone, right?
Yeah.
In front of a store. So I know that. Still.
Yeah.
Okay. So he grabs my glasses, break it in half.
Mm-hmm.
I had a wig on. He snatches my wig off. It's on camera, and then he grabs my phone and slams it on the ground. Shattered. I spent an hour looking for my phone and glasses.
Right. So did the glasses break when you guys were in your altercation today?
Yes, it broke because I super glued them back. Yes, it broke again.
Today?
Yes.
When?
When we were inside and having an altercation.
Okay, so was it him doing something to break your glasses?
I think when he yanked my shirt, it just fell off.
And you're, okay.
I don't even have a record. Like, I don't have
I know you don't. I just ran your ID.
We have records. Like, why would you want me to go to jail? Me and him fight all the time. He's just calling the police. I'm like, why you even call the police? Like, we both fight and we both want to get back cool. Like, I don't even want. He asked me. I did send him $400. He did send the rest of the $300, but I used it to buy my hair. And he was like, "Where your $300 went?" I'm like, "Yes, I put $20 for gas, but I used the rest of the party and I used it to buy my hair and makeup."
You're a grown woman. It's your money.
He's like, "What are you doing with $300? You quit your job, okay?
Yeah.
That doesn't matter." I'm like, I would have had $100 more if he would have sent it to me.
Mm-hmm.
He was like, "But you're right, you guys." I guess he was telling me, like, even though he's calling the police, he don't have to send it. Like,
he doesn't, unfortunately.
He told me that when he told me that. I'm like, that's so lame.
No, I know. I've seen the videos.
So, based off of that, though, and she's inconsistent. I mean, they're both a little inconsistent.
They're both
but he's got video evidence, and we just watched it. You can see the screwdriver trying to shimmy in the door panel.
No, I know.
And he's interested in pressing charges for burglary.
Of course not.
It's probably the safest bet. That's my thought.
I get that. Does he want to press charges?
Yep.
Cool. I understand. Let's go.
Yes. Hurry! But please, hurry! Oh, am I going to jail?
For burglary.
What did I do? Hurry, please! I've never been in jail before. Hurry, please!
Can you let him know I'm 10-15 left now?
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, Harvey, this is crazy. What did I do? This is really, you don't care about me like that? What? Oh my god!
Stop turning.
You got mine broke last night.
What can I do to get my side or my?
Everything is going to be
The
documented.
issue is your side versus what we just watched on video of you taking a screwdriver and trying to break into his door.
That's
and then
the
saying,
issue.
And then and I quote, and give me my fucking money. I'm here for my fucking money. That's a burglary. You damaged his door. You went in there and trashed his room. You broke it. You broke his TV.
You can't strong arm
broke his
somebody
TV.
into giving
That's
you their
called
money.
Can I
strong
get
arm
that?
robbery.
Can you call my grandma back one more time?
I'll try. I'll leave
Yeah.
a message.
Come on. Phone, wallet, keys.
Where's your phone and stuff over here?
Where's my ID and everything?
It's on the front.
Sorry, this is so lame of you. This is not right.
Where's your keys?
It's in the computer. I don't have no record. I don't want to go to jail behind a boy. That's so embarrassing. My charge is going to be burglary? Corey, what? Burglary?
Yeah, when you enter someone's home.
I have burglary charges. I
There's a
don't
video
what
of you
the
with
fuck?
this screwdriver trying to pry open the door.
I have videos of you beating my ass last night.
Where are your keys at?
Are you going to open the computer? I have burglary charges. What the fuck? Burglary charges, Corey? Am I like, what
It's
is
not
that?
his fault.
How long is that?
What do you mean how long
Like,
is that? It's
I
a
mean-
felony charge.
What? Corey, I'm a felon.
Being charged.
Can you call my grandma, please?
We will call her again.
Oh. What the fuck is wrong with my life? Oh my god.
I mean,
Like
Fill
we
out
fight. This is not
pockets.
the first time us fighting.
Okay.
This is not the first time we're breaking in my, slamming my car doors and breaking in my car.
I get that. Unfortunately, this is the time that
No.
there's cameras, and then this is the time where
I
you're
have
shoving
videos
a
too.
key. Why didn't you call us?
I have videos too.
Why didn't you
Because I
call
was
us then?
scared of what he was gonna do to me or something. Like, I don't know what he was gonna do to me. He always threatened me with his family members. Like, I'm scared to call the police.
Okay. Unfortunately, I'm gonna write all this down. Unfortunately, though,
you come and come,
we will call her again.
I'm fucking charges. I've never been to jail before.
You got her. Thank you.
Where's my phone that was in the car, sir?
It's in the bag.
Can you call my grandma one more
We
time?
will call her again. Yes.
What is my mama number, bro?
You'll have your phone, so the jail will let you get phone numbers out of it. Okay.
Whose car is it?
That's her car.
It's your car?
Yes, I would have someone come get it.
That's fine. Here, watch out. I'm gonna go.
It's not like we're towing.
You're not towing the car. You're good.
I have burglary charges.
Here, watch out real quick.
My life is ruined. I'm in school and everything. He literally, like, can I tell him, like, what about him and his drugs in the house? Like, what? Burglary charges, but his drugs in the house? Like, come on, who does this? That's why he got shot, because he was trying to attempt to sell and they wanted to steal it from him. Please write that down, please. He has drugs.
It's all gonna be recorded. Yep. Sit back.
He has shrooms, he has Percocets, he has weed. Like what? Since we want to tell on each other. Percocets, weed, all that.
Thank you.
What we've just witnessed
Nope, that's
is
last
one of the
night.
most intense
make a
and
claim, we can always do a
emotionally
report, but
charged
that's it.
domestic incidents
That's
captured
what I
on
would do.
Bodycam.
Like, since we're
The
showing
kind that
videos, like, I can do the
perfectly
same
illustrates
thing.
how
Here's the
quickly
thing, here's the thing.
relationships,
The video is from
emotions,
4:58 today.
and poor
All I care about is
decisions
today
can
at
collide
4:58.
and
What happened?
become
Okay,
a
it
criminal
was-
case
when we
that
fought, it was
changes
to-
someone's
I mean, when he put his
entire
hands on
life.
me last night,
Let's
it was
break
like 3
down what
o'clock,
really
same-
happened
It's-
here,
it's-
what
no,
the law
4:58 today, because
requires
he's the one that called,
officers
and
to
now he's my
do,
victim. You
and
see what I'm
why
saying?
this
This is my
situation
situation that I'm in.
escalated
I don't
into
wanna
a
do this. I
felony
don't wanna do this
arrest,
to you.
despite
You know?
both
I don't wanna do
individuals
this to either of
insisting they
Like,
didn't
why would you
want
wanna
to
call
get
the
each
police if
other
you
in
knew you had
trouble.
stuff, like, even
First,
if, like, it's weird
this
stuff in
case
your house, why are you
showcases a
calling?
common pattern in domestic
That's stupid.
disturbances. Both parties are emotionally invested,
I don't
both
wanna
claim
go
to
to
be
jail.
the victim, and
I don't
both
wanna take you
attempt
to
to
jail.
provide selective evidence
be
that
honest, I don't
supports
wanna
their
take you to
side.
jail.
The
I
officers
put my
walk
glasses
into
back.
a
I still
situation
wanna
where
go out.
broken
Like, I wanna
property,
go out tonight.
conflicting
I can't
stories,
go out with my-
and
like,
high
my glasses like
emotions
this.
make
Have
the
you
truth
double-
difficult to
it's
determine.
I get it.
This is
Just
why
double check your
officers
car.
repeatedly
I still do it when I walk
emphasize
in the
that they
house. I
must
can't see. I
rely
can't
on
even
what they
see.
can
That's
verify
fine. Do you
evidence
care if
on
we
the
just look
scene
real quick in
and
your
the
car?
events captured on video from today,
Last night
not
you were
from
at a
last
party, right?
night
Yeah.
or previous
You
altercations.
see me in the party.
One of the
Okay.
most important
I walked
legal
outside.
points in this
He
entire
followed me outside,
incident
goes
is
like,
the
"Oh,
distinction
sorry."
You're
between
good.
civil
He's like, "Where you going?"
disputes
I'm
and
like, "What are you
criminal
doing?
offenses.
Doesn't matter." Like,
The
yeah.
woman repeatedly insists
Yeah.
she just wants her money, but the officers have to explain something that most people don't understand until they're in handcuffs. You cannot force someone to pay you back by breaking into their home, damaging their property, or demanding money while inside their residence. That crosses the line from a civil disagreement into a criminal act, specifically burglary, because she entered his residence with
Yeah.
the
Okay.
intent to forcefully obtain what she
grabs
believes
my
she
glasses,
is owed.
breaking in half.
Whether she
I had
thinks
a
the
wig
money
on. He
is
snatches
truly
my wig
hers
off.
or
It's
not
on camera,
doesn't
and then
matter
he grabs my
legally.
phone and slams it on
Once
the
she
ground.
used a screwdriver
Shattered.
to pry into
I
the
spent an hour
home,
looking for my
demanded
phone and
money,
glasses.
and property
So
damage
did
occurred,
Did the glasses
the
break
elements
when
of
you guys were in
burglary
your
were
altercation
met.
today?
Throughout the footage,
Yes, they broke
we
because I
see
shot and glued
officers
them back.
trying to
Yes, they
give
broke
both
again.
sides
Today?
space to
Yes.
explain
When?
themselves,
When-
but the
when we were
contradictions
inside and having an
immediately become
altercation.
clear.
Okay, so
She
was
claims
it him
nothing
doing something
physical
to break your
happened,
glasses?
I think
but the
when he
video
yanked my
shows
shirt, it just
physical
fell off.
contact.
And you're okay.
She initially says she didn't break in, but the
I
officers
know, I just
literally
read
watched video of her using a screwdriver to force the door open. And the more she talks, the more inconsistencies surface a pattern officers look for when assessing credibility. Meanwhile, the male calmly provides video evidence, a crucial factor. In body cam cases involving conflicting stories, video tends to outweigh verbal claims every time. Another major factor here is the officer's discussion of property damage. Both sides have broken items, glasses, blinds, a TV, and while both want compensation, officers remind them that property issues are civil matters unless they occur during a criminal act.
No, I know.
In this
I've
case,
seen the videos.
when she forced entry and demanded money, everything that happened inside that residence becomes part of the burglary incident. The broken TV, the damages, the confrontation, all of it now falls under the criminal umbrella because it occurred during the commission of a felony. But what becomes even more emotionally heavy is the woman's reaction once she realizes she's actually being arrested. This is a moment we see often on Bodycam. The sudden shock when someone understands that their actions, fueled by emotion, anger, or frustration, have real legal consequences. She begs officers not to take her to jail, talks about being in school, having no criminal record, and feeling embarrassed. She expresses fear, desperation, confusion, and even betrayal. Regardless of guilt or innocence, this moment is human. It's raw. It's the moment someone realizes their life may never be the same after today. The officers explain the situation several times. They didn't choose the victim, the man became the victim the moment he called police and provided video evidence. The woman repeatedly tries to reframe the situation based on events from the night
Everything
before.
is going to be
But law
documented.
enforcement has to handle what is in front of them today. They can take reports for past
That's the
incidents,
issue.
but they cannot retroactively shift the victim status based on last night's events, especially when today's evidence contradicts her claims. As officers prepare for the arrest, we also see a secondary emotional conflict. She believes the man is equally guilty for past assaults, but none of that is backed by verifiable evidence from today. This is a powerful reminder that in legal cases, timing matters. Evidence matters. Documentation matters. And unfortunately, emotional history, no matter how real, cannot override what law enforcement can prove in the moment. Now, let's address one of the most impactful legal statements made in this Bodycam footage. Burglary is a felony. And yes, even in domestic or dating situations, even between two people who argue regularly, even when the person truly believes they are retrieving their own property, forcing your way into someone's home with intent to obtain money or belongings is a felony-level crime. That's why the officers were firm. This is not a misunderstanding. This is not a lover's quarrel. This is not something they can let slide. There is clear video evidence, and once the elements of the crime are met, officers are legally obligated to act. In the end, this case is a powerful example of how quickly a heated argument can spiral into a life-changing legal battle. If nothing else, it highlights the importance of walking away, cooling down, and handling disputes through legal channels instead of emotional confrontation. Because one decision, one moment of anger, one forced entry, one attempt to get your money back can escalate into a felony record that follows you forever. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping Bodycam breakdowns.